Oh my god, so cute. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited because today we are starting another travel vlog. I am here at Busan's bus terminal. I'm actually with Sharon. Again, she's behind the camera.
Hi.
And today we are heading to Jeonju. I'm so excited. I've never been to Jeonju. Neither has Sharon. Jeonju is pretty much a very traditional city in Korea. They are known for having a beautiful Hanok Village. They have a really pretty religious cathedral. They are also the birthplace of Bibimbap. And if you watch my vlogs, you know how much I love Bibimbap, so we'll definitely be eating some of that. And from what I heard, is they're also like a city in Korea that's also kind of on the rise of trying to be more eco-friendly, and I think that's really interesting. So we are heading there today. We're catching the bus. It leaves at about 9:10, which is in like 15 minutes. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you want to see more travel vlogs. Let's go. Pretty train station views, right?
Yeah.
It's actually so beautiful today. No more rain.
Sunny day.
Oh guys, also today we're taking a different kind of bus than usual. We're taking a premium gold bus.
Very fancy bus.
Very fancy. But you know what, guys? Our bus tickets are always so cheap. For one ticket, Jeonju is 3 hours away. One ticket is only like 25,000 won, which is like 20 bucks to get like to 3 hours away, which I think that's like pretty good, right? On like a really fancy bus.
Yeah, very cheap.
All right, let's go.
Let's go. The reason I've never taken one is because they're kind of like low availability. But yeah, here it is. It's pretty freaking beautiful. Shut the curtain, Sharon. No, I'm just kidding. We are about, I think, an hour out from Jeonju. Actually just dropped our stuff off at the hotel, and if you notice, we did our makeup. We have like this routine when we travel, and we get on the bus, no makeup, then we come, we drop our stuff off, and then we use the hotel bathroom to do our makeup. So anyways, we are going to head to our first destination, which is the Hanok Village that they are oh so known for. Not only do a lot of like foreign tourists like myself come here, but a lot of Korean people also do come here for tourist purposes. I think we're both kind of peckish, a little hungry, so we'll probably grab some lunch while we're over there. From what I saw online, Jeonju is like known for all of their dining options, so I'm really excited. You're probably gonna see a lot of food in my next couple of vlogs. But yeah, we'll see you guys when we get to the village. So when you first get to the village, you're gonna see like a ton of stalls and cute shops and hanbok places. But one of the best parts about this village is the Gyeonggyecheong shrine, and we're actually gonna go there later. First, we're going to explore the actual village. So many cute little souvenir and clothes and scarves. Alright guys, so we just spent some time exploring the Jeonju Hanok Village, which is where we are right now. It is beautiful in here, and there's actually so much more here than I expected. Like, there's so many stores, there's a huge Hanok scene. We might be putting on a different outfit later, not a Hanok, something completely different. Now we are at a place for lunch, and there was like a long line, so we knew this place would be good. They just have like a couple different traditional Korean dishes. Alright, lunch is served. So we got a bulgolgi dish, and it pretty much comes with mushrooms and sprouts. It's like a soup, but then it grills on top. Here's all of our side dishes, and then what I'm so freaking excited about trying is the Bibimbap. Jeonju is known for their Bibimbap. This is actually where Bibimbap originated. And if you don't know, Bibimbap, it's like a bowl of rice, and then it just has like all kinds of stuff in it, like sprouts, carrots, a little bit of bulgolgi, some kim, radish, and then there's an egg right there. And yeah, it came with a soup as well. So I'm really excited to try all of this.
You like it? Isn't it spicy?
It's spicy, yeah, it is spicier than mine.
Yeah.
But the sauce is different.
Maybe Jeonju style.
Okay, so something Sharon and I have always wanted to do is wear traditional Korean style uniforms. They're so freaking cute, and there are some places in Korea that you can actually rent one, as weird as that sounds. Just like how you can rent like a hanbok or something, you can rent a school uniform. So we've seen a bunch of places that have them, so we're gonna go try some on and see if they look cute enough for us to like maybe get some pictures. We'll see. There's a ton of girls walking out right now, but mostly they're all in hanbok. Look at those cute little cars.
작거나 크거나 그러면은 나한테 얘기하면 제가 바꿔서 바로 해드릴게요. 자, 이쪽으로 오세요. 접수하시고 바로 입혀드릴게요.
Look at us little school gals. Are you ready to skip class? I feel like a Sailor Moon gal. Oh my god, so cute. Very old-fashioned. This is so funny. I think it's really funny just because like we're the only ones wearing these right now. Everyone else is wearing hanboks, but cute.
아니, 시험 주셔도 제가 하는데 딱딱해요.
네, 감사합니다. I can't believe you've never had one. They're so good. Alright guys, we just got our pictures back. Look how cute. I think this one is very fitting. And then also this one. That's like our cute, innocent girl pic. That's cool. There's like innocent and guilty. Arrived. Oh wait, gotta stick this in. You guys, the weather, we're in a heat wave now, so monsoon season is over, heat wave season is in. Oh wow, wow, this is really good view. Alright, so we made it to our hotel room, and we are going to just chill for like an hour or so, and then we're going to head back out and do some more adventuring. But I did want to say I was incredibly impressed when we checked in, because they actually took all of our temperatures, which Like that happens often when you go to like a restaurant or I don't know, an amusement park here, but that's actually never happened to me at a hotel. And I think the reason why is because actually this past weekend in Seoul there's been a really large outbreak, unfortunately, and so they're being extra cautious here. And jeonju is actually a place that has incredibly low numbers, so it's really a good feeling to know that like this hotel is taking everything very seriously. We're staying at the Ramada, in case you were wondering. Alright guys, so it is about 6 o'clock and we are heading back over towards the Hanok Village. Before we head over to the market, we're going to stop at pungnammun Gate, which is pretty much like a big landmark here in Jeonju. It was built in 1398, so it is old, but it's obviously been renovated a lot and kept up with. And it's a landmark for two things. First, the Nambu market, which is where we're going, and also for the Geksa district. So I'm really excited. I saw like a tiny bit of it today when we were like going to the village, but I didn't really see a whole lot of it. And I feel like it's gonna be really pretty this time of day because like the sun is starting to go down and it is absolutely gorgeous out. We got so lucky with this weather. We just spent like 15-20 minutes enjoying that beautiful live music over there. It's so unexpected to hear that. And here is pungnammun, which is looking absolutely gorgeous in this lighting. And then right over here is the jeonju nambu market. And as you guys have seen in my videos before, Korea excels in the market scene, especially night markets. They're so much fun. You can get a ton of street food and different drinks, and there's also like shopping stalls. And these places, they're open during the day, but I feel like nighttime is when they get like really poppin'. So we are going to walk over there right now. See you guys when we get there. Alright guys, so little change of plans. We found out that because of the outbreak, a lot of the stalls at the night market decided to close this weekend, which is totally understandable and I think a really good decision, just because with street food everyone's like touching everything. So instead we are going to head over to the Kaji area, which I'm actually really excited about because I also heard a lot about this area. It's kind of known for like pocha, and there's some bars and stuff like that. So let's see you guys when we get to our plan B. Came to this place that was actually recommended to me by someone whose blog post I read, and this is like a hopping place. Like it seems like this is where like a lot of like the younger people living here, or maybe just the tourists come. But we found a tap house, which as an American that's really special for me because they don't have a ton of these in Korea. We're just having some beer right now and we ordered our food as well. So first you get your glass, and then they have all of these types of beers to choose from. And they have beers ranging from like Korean beers to American, like Big Wave, that's super American. Jeonju. Cheers! We are having pizza. What kind of pizza? Gorgonzola?
Yeah, gorgonzola.
Gorgonzola? What is that?
I don't know.
And then this is like seafood stew. Just finished our dinner and now we're just gonna explore a little. It is about 8:30 and yeah, this area seems really cool. Do you guys hear the birds? This area seems really cool, so we just want to explore it before we go back to our hotel. Alright guys, so we are back, and as you can tell, we put our robes on. We're all like cozy and stuff, and we're actually just about to take showers and then probably head off to sleep so that we can be well rested for day 2 in Jeonju. I feel like this is a pretty chill vlog. We mostly hung out today at the Hanok Village and we had a great time there. We do have some fun things planned for tomorrow. We're gonna be hitting up 3 different places, so I'm actually gonna start a whole new vlog tomorrow, so be sure to be on the lookout for that vlog. If you're interested in seeing more travel videos, I have been doing a lot of traveling around Korea this summer, so I'll have the links to all of those down in the description. I've gone to some amazing like coastal areas so far, and I'm really excited to go to some more places this fall. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you thought of it. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram for more behind the scenes. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye!